Friends, today we are going to discuss the important topic of a cyber law and ethics, that is physical security. In last lecture, we are already discussed the things related to the security issues and security threats of a e-commerce. Okay, now today we are going to discuss the things related to the physical security. Whenever uh, we read the word security, so what comes in our mind? Security means that armed person to secure a system or security organization or locking the door. So in this way we are going to protect our system or to fit the CCTV cameras and analyzing that CCTV cameras. Okay, so by observing this system, by observing CCTVs, we can protect our system, okay, from unauthorized access or unauthorized system or unauthorized hacker. Now, the things related to the physical security about to the global virtual world. Whenever physical security refers to the measure that are undertaken to prevent a hacker from accessing resources and information stored on physical media. Physical security, it is implemented either by simply locking the door or by using elaborate layers of armed security guards along with the locking doors. It is the most important and critical area of implementing security in an organization for preventing loss of confidential and sensitive data. Yes, obviously, if any organization lost the confidential and sensitive data, it means that loss of or or what we can say that um, what we can say that key that complete organization may be in the loss. Okay, because that security, because that particular information, very sensitive information, which is to be stolen by the unauthorized user, and that will be misused by that person. So, the various forms of physical security that can be implemented in an organization, that are physical, technical, and operational. Physical refers to the measures that are taken to secure assets, such as developing or deploying security personnel. Yes, if you wanted to protect our system, organization, so you have to employ the security guards. So, this is our first concern. Next, technical. As its name suggests, technical means what? It measures that are taken to secure services and elements that are support information technology, such as security of server rooms. Yes, we have to use this help of server rooms or add firewalls, antiviruses to the system. Now next, operational. It refers to the common security measures that are taken before implementing an operation, such as taking appropriate countermeasure after analyzing the various threats with the associated with an activity. So these are the things related to the physical security. Now next, whenever we term not also include to the physical, technical, operational, but this term also includes protection from fire, natural disaster, theft or vandalism, along with the protection of data from the hackers, prevent unauthorized access to the computer system, prevent tampering or stealing of a data, protect the integrity of data stored in the computer system, prevent loss of data due to natural calamity. In an organizational setup, a single person is not responsible for physical security. The following people are also accountable for the security of an organization: the security officer, the safety officer, the information system analyst, the chief information officer, and the employees of an organization. Yes, exactly. If particular data is stolen by hacker on unauthorized access, so we can't say that only one person is responsible for the same. So for the same, whole organization are responsible. Okay, in next lecture we will discuss the incidents of physical security violations. Okay, thank you.